Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a treat. I have in my possession the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone system, and I have been absolutely thrilled with its performance so far. Now, I got these in the mail yesterday and was so excited. I ran home, I grabbed them, came back, and ripped them out of the box and threw them into a quick product test, and I want you guys to hear that now. What you see me wearing here is the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone, but that is not the audio you're hearing. This is the microphone that's built into the iPhone 13 Pro Max. However, this is the audio from the Hollyland Lark M2. Now, you heard no post-editing there. All that I did in that clip was bring the iPhone 13 audio, just the built-in microphone. I just brought it up to match the Lark so that obviously you could hear the iPhone 13 audio. So let's dig in. We're going to go through what comes in the package, its functionality, and my overall thoughts on it, and some pros and some cons. Let's dig in. So right out of the box, I'm going to tell you there's two things that I can't show you that come in the box, and that is the camera receiver, because you're hearing it right now, as well as the little coil 3.5mm cable that comes for that to go into the camera. Those two things are obviously in use right now, as well as transmitter 1, which you can see on me right here. What you're hearing is audio directly from the Lark M2, no post-editing on any of this video for the audio piece. Let's dive in. So right out of the gate, we have the carrying case that's also a charging case. It holds the camera receiver and two transmitters. Now, in addition to that, you also get these, which are mobile receivers. One is USB-C and one is Lightning that can go directly into your phone so that you can use these on the go without having to have cables attached to your phone and things like that. Moving on, the transmitters themselves. These are the microphones. They are so small. They're about the size of a quarter, and they attach magnetically. Like the one I'm wearing right now, I just stuck this little magnet behind my shirt and put the transmitter on the front of it, and there you go. Really, really neat feature. But that's only one of two ways you can attach these microphones to your subject. You also get these little clips right here. They also attach by magnet, so I can just grab a transmitter, pull the magnet off the back, stick the clip to it, and attach this to whatever I need to. Whether that's a shirt collar or a jacket, something maybe that is too thick for the magnet to get a good secure grip on. Next in the way of attaching the microphones to your subject are these. This is a lanyard. Obviously, I've still got it wrapped up, but it's so easy to just throw this around your subject's neck and slap your transmitter on it and do what you need to do. What else do we get in the box? Well, you get this. This little ball of fluff is known as a dead cat or a windscreen. Now, this is a little different than you would find on like the DJI microphones or the Rode microphones, where they just stick in the top near the microphone or attach to the top where the mic is. These actually go completely around your transmitter like so. That way you still have access to the magnet on the back, but it's really nice because it completely surrounds it. It's not going anywhere once it's on there, and you will actually have to work a little bit to get these off, so I'm not concerned about it blowing away in the wind, falling off. You get two of those. I still have one in the package just because I didn't want it to get dirty. You get two of the lanyards, which as soon as you pick them up, like to click together, and of course two of the clips, because you have two microphones. Now, there are three different configurations you can pick this kit up in. You can either get the combo kit, which is what I got, which comes with everything, or you can just get the mobile kit or the camera kit. If you get one of those individual kits that's just mobile or camera, it's a little bit cheaper. I think you might save $20 or $25. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what it was when I was looking at them. All the accessories, however, are the same no matter which kit you get. You still get the wind filters, you still get the clips, you still get the lanyards, and the USB charging cable. Now, the final accessory, if you will, is something I thought was a great idea to throw in. It really kind of fixed one of the cons that I'll talk about later, but this little bag. This was awesome for Hollyland to throw in. It's kind of a nylon, polyester, canvasy style drawstring bag for you to throw all your stuff in. They've got a little divider in here, so like you can take all your things that you use all the time, like the actual charging case and transmitters and maybe your mobile receivers, throw them on one side, but then put all your little accessories like your windscreens and your lanyards and clips on the other side. Fast access, so you're not digging through a bunch of stuff. Love that. So, overall thoughts, I love it. Let me give you some pros and some cons as to what helped me make the decision both in purchasing these and my overall impression of their performance. So, some pros first. One, sound quality. Being in professional audio for the better part of the last decade, I knew I needed something that sounded amazing. I've got really expensive microphones that sound awesome, but they're just not ideal for this type of environment, or vlogging, or on the go, or anything like that. That said, these sound, as you can tell, amazing. Number two, price. I got these on sale for $140 for the entire kit, the combo kit, which is both transmitters and all three receivers. Feature-wise and just everything you get for the money, the Hollyland definitely was the winner there. Size overall, here's the thing. This is obviously larger than, say, an AirPods Pro case, but it's not obtrusively large. And I gotta be honest, I think that's why they didn't take care of my first con, and that is the mobile receivers just don't fit in the rechargeable case. Now, that's not the end of the world because they include the little drawstring bag, which is cool, but it would have been nice just to take my Lightning receiver and my camera receiver, throw it in the case with the two transmitters, throw it in my backpack, and take off. Again, not the end of the world. A second con for me is no internal recording. Now, it's not a big deal for me. I'm not going to die on that hill, but it would have been nice to, just in case, be able to record internally to the individual microphones and have that backup in case I was in a super frequency heavy environment and was experiencing dropout or worried about experiencing wireless dropout. Let me throw another pro at you, and this was a bonus for me that I didn't know I was going to love so much. Environmental noise canceling. There's a video out there on the tube where a gentleman takes one of these and puts it on in a very, very like stormy, wind-heavy environment and doesn't use the dead cat, doesn't use the windscreen, just kicks on the environmental noise canceling and gets awesome results with it. Now, obviously, you can still hear a little bit of rumble from the wind, but it's nothing obtrusive or annoying. That is absolutely audio I would use in a vlog. So that's a pro for me. My final con is I cannot, with these mics, put an external lapel microphone on them, meaning there's no 3.5 millimeter input for an external lapel microphone. If I really wanted things to look professional and I wanted to hide this completely, wanted to hide a little lapel mic inside somebody's shirt or something, that option does not exist. So those are my pros and cons. Overall impression, I love the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone system. I wish I would have found this a few weeks ago when I first took on this YouTube endeavor, but that said, I have them now. Let me know down in the comments below if you've had any experience with the Lark system, whether it was the M1, M2, the Max, or if you have any experience with like the Rode or DJI microphones. That is all I've got for you today. Thanks for stopping by. If you've enjoyed this content, give me a like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I drop fresh content on the channel. Thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you guys.
Hey guys, Future Marshall here. I was just editing the video that you guys just watched and remembered that a couple of days ago I became an Amazon affiliate. And what that means is if you're interested in picking up a set of the Lark M2 microphones, or you're interested in the rig that I film with, which is the Nikon Z5, I'll have links down in the description below where you can pick up one or both of those. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps me out just a little bit and gives me a tiny commission every time somebody purchases through that link. So thanks guys, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you real soon.